Hello Superstar, my name is David Imonitie, and I actually want to welcome you to my home. You're actually going to get a chance to actually see an amazing opportunity that I saw just a short while ago that completely changed my life. You know, over the years that I've been involved in this industry of network marketing, I've watched quite a few people actually become successful in this industry. But unfortunately, I've actually seen a lot of people not actually reach their goals and their dreams. What you're going to see on this particular video is an opportunity for you to win, not just on the networking side, but also truly win in the Forex trading side. See, over the years, over the last 10 years, the world has actually opened up to people just like you and giving you the opportunity to actually benefit from a $5.3 trillion a day industry. You know, you had to have a net worth of at least $3 million to hear what it is that you're about to hear right now. But this company is actually putting the power in your hands and giving you the opportunity to create a financial revolution for you and your family. I want you to really have an open mind to what you're going to hear on this particular video, because I do believe that it could actually change the course of your financial future forever. So I'll see you at the end of the video. Enjoy it, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. I want to share with you what iMarkets Live is really all about. When I took a look at this information, I said, this is something that I believe everybody can actually win at. This company is a financial vehicle. I want you to write this down. I believe that iMarkets Live, is a financial educational platform that actually teaches people how to win big within the Forex industry. What this company has actually done is combine two very powerful industries together. You talk about the Forex industry, Forex and futures, the trading industry, and then combining it with the network marketing industry. $5.3 trillion per day, combining with a $180 billion a year industry. Some people say, well, does network marketing really work? Well, I think it does. Over 10,000 companies are actually involved in this industry right now. In the United States alone, over $36 billion in sales are generated through network marketing companies. Most people don't know this. Since 1978, the network marketing industry has actually created more new millionaires than any other industry in the world. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with all that being said, I want to be completely frank with you. I know my name is David, but I'm going to be frank for a second, okay? All right. I want to be frank with you about something. And you're going to be surprised that I would even say this. 97% of the people that get involved in this industry, and there's well over 100 million people that are involved in the space, this industry of network marketing, 97% fail. Wow. 97%. And for the last 12, 13 years that I've been involved in this industry, and I've loved every second of it, but there are parts of it that I really don't like, because I don't like to see people fail. And when I saw this concept versus everything else out there, I saw a way for people to win on one side that had nothing to do with network marketing. Because see, most people don't like rejection. Most people don't like talking to their friends and their family members about another opportunity, about another product. This product, if you drink this product, then your life is going to change forever. All right? And there's nothing wrong with that. Some of those things are true, but I saw a concept and I said, wait a minute, if we actually combine the Forex industry, this had nothing to do with recruiting. It had nothing to do with making any phone calls. It had nothing to do with sales of any products or whatever it is that's out there. If you could actually learn a skill set, and if you're thinking to yourself, David, is this something that's really worth it for me? I want you to think about this. In the last 10 years, the amount of money that's flowed through your bank account, how much money have you made on it? 9 out of 10 times people say zero. They've made no money. But literally the banks are utilizing your money and they're making money on your money with Forex. So what if we were able to show you a skill set that you could actually learn? And I want you to write the word learn down. Write it down. Because in that word learn, earn is in it. Right? And you already understand this. You were taught to go to school, get good grades, graduate, go out and get a good job. You were taught to go learn something so you can earn a certain amount of income. Yes, if you learn to be a nurse, then you could earn as a what? Nurse. If you learn to be a doctor, then you can earn as a doctor. So what we're saying is, do you see the value in learning a skill set that can show you how to be profitable within a $5.3 trillion a day industry? Wow. We're talking about the largest financial market in the world, bigger than the stock market. The stock market actually trades about $22 billion a day. This is 5.3. It's a global market. Central banks utilize it. The financial institutions utilize it. Wealthy individuals utilize it. Up until about 10 years ago, you had to have a net worth of at least $3 million in order to be able to trade foreign exchange. Yes. Now, here's what I want to share with you. Watch this. If you are in the network, this is how I think network marketing should work. If you are in the network, whatever is provided in the network, should it not cost less than what you would pay if you were outside of the network? Yes. Right? I mean, what would be the benefit to being in a network if what you were paying was actually less or more than what you would pay if you were outside of the network? See, if you said, I want to learn about this industry, I want to learn how to be profitable within the Forex industry, you're looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 to 20, even as upwards of $100,000 to learn how to trade within the foreign exchange market. But being in this network, I'm going to show you how you can do it for the fraction of the cost. Okay? Look at this, guys. When you look at this opportunity, I want you to understand this company was founded in 2013. We're already established in 120 countries right now. So you literally have a global business the first day that you're involved in this opportunity. Completely debt-free. This company was founded by Christopher Terry. This gentleman has a vast amount of experience when it comes to the industry of Forex. Over 22 years, literally has earned tens of millions of dollars in this particular space of business. Been featured in several different books, several different magazines. He was actually a contributor to The Money Show as well. I had a chance to meet him, and just really down to earth, a gentleman that actually just told it like it was, like it is. And what he's been able to do is take a system, a service that he was providing. And if you wanted to learn how to trade Forex from Christopher Terry, ladies and gentlemen, you were paying $5,000 to $10,000 for a weekend session with him. So he was able to now create these services and make them available to you for $195. Wow. All right. Now, how does this make money for you? How does this work? Well, he put together 7 different services that do 2 things. Number 1, it actually teaches you. And number 2, it allows you to actually earn money while you're learning. All right. And I actually broke it down into 3 categories. All right. And I want you to follow me on this, because what I did was I took something that you may think is complex, and we have made it very simple for you to understand. All right. The first category that we're going to talk about requires no experience. All right. Majority of the people that you're going to talk to may not have any experience when it comes to the Forex world. So here's what Christopher Terry put together. We have what we call the Auto Trader. The Auto Trader requires, you see it? No trading experience required. All right. It is a software that you can easily install that actually mirrors a professional trader, and they actually trade on your behalf. The best way that I could describe this particular product here is the gym membership, where someone else goes to do the workout, someone else does the lifting, they do the running, but you get all the muscles. How many of you like that gym membership? All right? All right? Guys, you get a chance to benefit from over 25 years of experience when it comes to the Forex industry, setting up your Auto Trader. All right? The next product that we have is the IML Signals app. People absolutely love this. We call it the Swipe Trades. It's an app that you can actually download right on your phone, where every single day, multiple times a day, we're actually going to send you signals. We're actually going to send you trades that you can actually profit from. Ladies and gentlemen, that requires you not to call anybody. You don't have to recruit anybody, but you can actually make money utilizing the Swipe Trades. See, we had a young man in Florida that actually got started with us, 19 years old, This gentleman, utilizing the swipe trades, his first week in iMarkets Live, made $900 trading. Ladies and gentlemen, he could not do that with any normal network marketing company. It would be a little bit more challenging for him to do that. But utilizing the swipe trades, he was able to do that his first week in the business. Then we have the daily swing trades. These trades come directly from Christopher Terry. So now you're getting trades sent to you by the CEO, the gentleman that has over 22 years of experience in this industry of Forex. All right. So those first three products require no experience whatsoever. The next I would say is educational. All right. So you say, David, I want to learn this. I want to learn for myself how to trade within the Forex industry. What we've actually done is we've put together the harmonic scanner trading course. Ladies and gentlemen, the harmonic scanner is the #1 tool that traders use around the world. We've actually put a course together that actually teaches you how to read the harmonic scanner. It literally shows you how to really prophesy what's actually going to happen in the marketplace. And then we also have the IML Academy. This is basic, intermediate, and advanced training on Forex. All of it is available to you for you to learn and earn at your own pace, taking you through A through Z when it comes to everything about the Forex industry. So the educational part, do you see value in that? Investing, watch this, less than $2,000 over the course of a year to learn a skill set that can actually teach you how to multiply money. To show you how to take $1 and turn it into $5. How many of you can see the power of that? Because see, everybody's so focused on how can I make more money? How can I make more money? But no one is thinking about how can I multiply what's already in my hands? That's what wealthy people do. And they've been doing this for years. That's what the banks are doing with your money. All right. The last part would be interactive. So we have the IML TV and we also have the live trading room as well. So the live trading room, every single day, you can actually watch traders trade live. And they're actually coaching while they're doing it as well. And then you have the IML TV, which is round-the-clock training on the Forex industry. All of these services that I just shared with you, if you were actually going to go out in the marketplace to get them, you're looking at thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars is what you would need to invest to be able to do that. This company says for one time, $195, you can now participate in a $5.3 trillion a day industry, learning and earning. All right. Now, some people say, well, David, is that really what iMarkets Live is really all about? And it is. That's all it is. It's not about you going out and recruiting anybody into the business. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. This is about you making a decision to actually take control of your life financially. Because what else are you going to do out there? What other avenues are out there for you to learn how to multiply your money? That's available to you. That doesn't require you to have any licenses whatsoever. $145 a month. This is the monthly subscription. $145. Now, I saw the value in that. If you take that over the course of a year, it's less than $2,000. You know, most companies out there, you're investing over $1,000 to get started, and you're buying $400 or $500 worth of whatever it is on a monthly basis. So by the end of the year, you're in $6,000, $7,000. Here, we're teaching you a skill set that can show you how to multiply money for the rest of your life. All right? $145. Now, here's what Christopher Terry put together. The company says, if you actually just referred 2 customers, 2 people that you knew, maybe they saw your results. They saw that you made a couple $100 utilizing the swipe trades. You know, I called a young lady when I first got involved, and her and her husband knew nothing about the Forex industry whatsoever. Matter of fact, they thought that we were actually going to be talking about stocks. They had no idea what Forex was, and Forex is short for foreign exchange. And, you know, they got involved in the business because they actually trusted me, and they started utilizing the auto trader. Guys, their first day utilizing the auto trader, they actually grew, their account grew by $1.72. And they called me fired up, super excited. And I was thinking to myself, Why are you excited about $1.72? And then I thought about it. If you put $500 in your account today, what is it going to read tomorrow? $500.
Yeah.
Next week, what is it going to read? $500. Next month, what would it read? $492. All right? Because you have that $8 monthly service fee, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The next day, it actually grew another $47. So now they're like, wow, this actually works. They started learning, utilizing the harmonic scanner. They started going through IML Academy, right? They automatically referred to customers. So now the company actually waived their $145 monthly subscription. So now they were doing all this for free without having to pay a single dime to learn and earn. Right now, they're averaging a little over $1,000 a week trading. They're making more money trading than they are actually building the networking side of this business. That's what I was looking for.
Yes.
Right? Their biggest day was $3,600 trading. Okay? They have forgotten that there is a network marketing side to this business. All right? So 2 and free. How many of you can afford free? Raise your hand if you can afford free.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Everybody can do that. All right? Now, if you decided that you wanted to refer and you wanted to actually build a business, J. Paul Getty says it best. I would rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts versus 100% of my efforts. The company says you can become an IBO. All right? To become an IBO, it's a $15 upgrade to become an IBO. Company says sponsor one more customer. All right? And now what we will do, you're no longer a part of the 2 and free because you're not a customer anymore. You're now an IBO. Okay? So what we will actually do, you will now become a Platinum 150 because you've sponsored 3 customers, correct? And what we will start doing on a monthly basis, we will send you a commission check, and we actually pay it out to you weekly too, but in a month, $150. Okay? $150 for 3 customers. Ladies and gentlemen. Now, some of you say, well, man, is that really big? Well, let's look at this. $145, okay, per customer, correct? Times that by 3, that's $435 in volume. So you have generated $435 in sales, and your residual income is $150? Okay, that didn't really hit you? Let's go to the next one. Watch this, all right? Because this is where they got me. This is where I was like, okay, wait a minute. I saw this and I said, you know what? People can win. It was that simple for me, all right? That was really the driving force to me saying, this is what I actually want to do. Company says, you got your 3, but let's say we grow it to 12, all right? We help those 3 actually go out and, they get their 3 as well. So now you have a total of 12 customers. 12 times 145 is $1,740 in volume. Correct? Your residual income at this level is $600. For generating, somebody said much better, right? For generating $1,740 in volume, your residual income, those same 12 customers, whether they're getting it for free or not, 12 customers, $600 per month residual income. Okay. Now let me share with you what really took it over the top. Okay. See, the person that invited you, all right, to their home or wherever it is that you're seeing this opportunity right now, they have the ability to actually assist you in growing your income. So what do you mean by that? Well, we only build 3 teams. So now the person that actually introduced you to this concept, when they actually place people down below you, the company says those customers that they place below you will count towards your 12 customers. So we could literally put 4 people below you and it would actually count towards your 12 customers. How many of you love helping people?
Yes.
Okay. When I saw this, I saw an opportunity for me to truly help people financially. Because in other companies, I couldn't do that. I couldn't place people down below you and it count towards your income. But here, we could actually do that. As you continue to grow your business, right, it grows from 12. And I love drawing this out on the whiteboard so you can really, really see it. All right, it grows from 12, say it goes to 30. All right, so the next rank is Platinum 1000. So 12, 12, 6. So you have 30 customers in your business, 30 customers times 145. You're now generating $4,350 in volume. Your residual income is $1,000 per month for generating $4,350 in revenue. And by the way, every single time you enroll a new customer, you actually earn a $35 fast start. So it's a referral bonus that the company actually pays out to you. When you get to that Platinum 600, we'll actually pay you $10 for everyone that comes in on your second level. So you sponsored me in the business. I go on and I sponsor Andrea into the business. You got paid $35 for me, but guess what? You get paid $10 when I went out and sponsored Andrea. You become a Platinum 1000. Anybody who comes in on your third level, you get paid $5. Ladies and gentlemen, do not discount these 10s and 5s. They add up very quickly. All right? Guys, as you continue to grow your business from 30 customers, all right, the momentum is already picking up. You grow it to 75 customers. Keep in mind, we can actually place 12 people below you and it would count towards your 30 customers. We can place 30 people below you and it would count towards your 75 customers. 75 times, you see it on that chart there, right? Times 145, this is $10,875 in volume. Your residual income is $2,000. And we could place 30 people below you and it would count towards the 75. Okay? You continue to grow the business because now momentum is really now taking off. By the way, we only have a little over 8,000 people in this company right now. So when you talk about timing, okay, and I'm going to share that with you because when I looked at this opportunity, there were really 4 things that I was really looking for, and I saw all 4 of them available here. You go Platinum 5,000, 90, 90, 45. So that's a total of 225 subscribers in your business, all right? Times 145 for the monthly subscription. This is $32,625 in volume. Your residual income is $5,000. Ladies and gentlemen, and we could place 90 people below you and it would still count towards your 225. So literally, quite possibly, you can only build a team of 135 people and be at $5,000 a month residual. You're giving people an opportunity to learn a skill set that shows them how to multiply money within the largest industry in the world, 5.3. All right. See, our products, guys, our product is money. Will money always be in demand? Raise your hand if, you know, if like we'll ever not have a demand for money. Okay? Man, I've got a question for you. All right. Got a question for all of you. In the next 12 months, all right, if we worked with you, all right, which we will, we supported you, taught you, trained you, actually built with you. Do you believe that in a 12-month time frame, okay, that you could build a customer base of 500 customers? How many of you believe you can do that?
Yes, sir.
In 12 months?
Yes. Keep
Keep in mind, we are willing, more than willing, to place 200 people down below you, and it would still count towards the 500.
Yes.
Hello? Did y'all get that? 500 customers times 145. All right. This is $72,500 in volume. iMarcus Life says your residual income here will be $10,000 a month.
Yes.
Residual. Now, the beautiful thing about this residual is that they don't actually just wait till the next month for you to start actually getting paid. They actually start paying it out to you weekly. Right? So when you hit the Platinum 1,000 level, that's $250 a week. Right? You hit the Platinum 600 level, that'd be $150 a week. You hit the Platinum 2,000, it's $500 every week. You hit Platinum 5,000, it's $1,250 every week. You hit this rank here, Chairman 10, that's $2,500 every single week. How many of you believe you can do this? I want to make sure I'm talking to the right folks.
Yes,
all right? Now, here's what my goal is. 100 leaders. All right? 100 leaders in a 12-month time frame that actually do this. So 100 times 72,500, that actually equals $7.25 million in volume. I know that this compensation plan will actually pay out $1 million a month. Okay. Now I know you guys didn't get excited about that because that's my goal, right? But I've got a question for you. Out of the 100, how many do you believe will be a part of your group?
Right.
Okay. How many? What do you think? 20, 10, 5, 15. I'll take the lowest number. 5. Let's say you only had 5 leaders. This is my own algebra right here. 5L, okay, times 500C. So 5 leaders that build a customer base, not IBOs, not people that want to go out and recruit the world, customers, people that want to subscribe to the services that iMarkets Live has to offer. The way we've actually structured this compensation plan is absolutely powerful. Everybody comes in as a customer. Everybody comes in utilizing the services. They cannot upgrade and become an IBO until they have enrolled 2 customers. So every customer is automatically wanting to get what? 2 customers. So 5 leaders times 500 customers gives us 2,500 customers, ladies and gentlemen. IML says your residual income at this level will be $50,000 per month.
Oh my God.
Okay.
With 5 leaders that build a team of 500 customers. So my goal, this is an 18-month goal. The first 6 months, I completely dedicated it to identifying 100 leaders through the process of attracting and developing. Right? Because that's what happens. A leader is someone that you're either going to attract or someone that you develop. All right? So we're close to the first 6 months, and it's right on point. March 24, okay? March 24, 25th, we have a leadership retreat that we're actually going to do for 100 leaders. All right? You can qualify to be at that leadership retreat by becoming a Platinum 1000. I know for a fact that if you're at that leadership retreat, any leadership retreat that we do, in less than a year, you will be at least a Chairman 10. And whoever it is that comes with you, if it's 5 leaders, if it's 10 leaders, if it's 20, they will also be Chairman 10s. Some of you said 10. If you had 10 leaders in your group that actually built an organization of 500 customers, you would be at $100,000 per month. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not making any income claim. I'm just showing you exactly what's available through this compensation plan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right? And you're at the beginning. It's a little over 8,000 people that are in this opportunity right now. All right? Powerful. Now, look at these bonuses here, right? The company starts actually paying out rank advancement bonuses. When you become a Platinum 2000 all the way up to Chairman 500, you get bonuses that range from $500 all the way up to $200,000. Look at that bonus. Look at that bonus. This is a one-time bonus, all right? It's a per month. No, it's a one-time bonus, all right? All right? Look at that Chairman 100 bonus. The Chairman 100 bonus is when you have those 10 leaders, right, that have 500 customers. You're already earning $100,000 a month, residual. Are you with me? Is that okay? I'm not blowing anybody out the water right now? Okay? But they give you a $100,000 bonus. They pay it out over a 12-month time frame. So that's an additional $8,333 a month on top of your $100,000.
Yeah. Wow.
Now watch this. This is what I saw. Company says when you hit the rank, you hold it for 90 days.
Okay.
Hold it for 90 days. And if anything happens after that, where maybe you missed the rank, they still honor the bonuses. Never seen that before. I have never seen that before. Okay? The bonuses go all the way up to Chairman $500,000, $200,000 bonus. All right? And then we have what we call the Chairman Infinity Bonus. Now this is, to me, the most exciting part of this compensation plan. Everybody's building 3 teams, correct?
Correct.
Company says when you become a chairman and above, every month, we will actually pay you an additional 1% on all of the volume, all of the subscribers that are in those 3 legs of businesses. The max that you can earn on that particular bonus is $40,000 per leg of business. I'm sorry, we capped it out at $120,000 an additional per month. Okay. This is what I saw when I said, this takes care of the quote unquote little guy, but at the same time, it takes care of the big guy. Because I've been in this industry almost 13 years. I know that a large majority of people do not earn $600 a month residual. And if they do, they're doing tens of thousands of dollars in revenue to be able to earn $600 per month in residual. So a person may not win on the networking side, but can they learn?
Yes. Yes.
Can they learn?
Yeah.
Can they invest a year of their life, 5 hours a week, to learn a skill set that can teach them how to multiply their money? The testimonies that I've heard are remarkable. Here's what you have to understand. There are people outside of this company that have learned this skill of trading within the Forex industry and have become millionaires. That's a fact. That's a fact. So even if a person doesn't build the networking side, they still have an opportunity to win. And that's all I ever wanted for the people that I actually share an opportunity with. Can they win? See, when I saw this, ladies and gentlemen, there were 4 things. And you know, as we're wrapping up here, I'm sure you've already made a decision to be a part of what it is that we're doing. But I want to share with you something that I think is extremely powerful. See, the success that we were able to have, after I resigned from that company, I did some reflecting. And I said, David, how did it happen? How did you go from living with your dad to earning over $10 million in a 7.5-year time frame? Ladies and gentlemen, that's a miracle. That's a God thing. That's not how great I was. It's not how great anybody else was. It wasn't how great the product was, because guess what? Everybody's a child of God. Everybody had the same products, but everybody didn't go out and have that level of success. Right. I know that for a fact that it was the grace of God on my life. I know that it was prayers that my mom prayed ever since I was born that allowed that to happen.
Yes.
Okay, I know that. In business, there's some tangible things that you can look at, and you can't ignore this. All right. So, ladies, as you're looking at this and about to take even a further look as to what it is that we actually do, and obviously, I know all of you are actually going to get started looking at what you saw here today. I want you to understand that you are at the right place at the right time, and that is not a cliche. Because, see, guys, in business, timing is number one. Yes. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Some people may try to tell you that leadership is number one. No, it's not. Timing is number one. If you're going to win in business, if you're the first to introduce a new product, a new service, a new idea, a new concept, do you think you will have a better chance than someone else that introduces the same product, the same idea, same concept 5 years later? Yes. Raise your hand if you agree that you would have a better chance. Yes. It doesn't necessarily guarantee your success, but it gives you a better chance. See, number 2 is leadership. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, leadership. Because in that company, my former company, they had 7,000 people when I got involved in the company. So I got in at the right time.
Yes.
Right? My good friend LG got in at the right time.
Yes.
See, we were able to go out and get market share. That's what timing gives you the opportunity to get. Because you're first, right?
Yes.
But see, timing doesn't serve you if you're not a leader. Because you can be at the right place at the right time, but are you the right person?
That's good.
So you're watching this video and you're like, man, this is exciting. This is great. I possibly have a chance to do something amazing. But are you a leader? Right? Are you committed? Are you disciplined? Are you teachable and coachable? Do you have all of the attributes that a leader would have in order to be successful? Here's what I will tell you. The principles remain the same. It doesn't matter what the vehicle is. If you got the right mentality, you got the right work ethic, I don't care what you do, it will work. So many people focus on the company. So many people focus on the product. So many people focus on all these external things, which is important. But I promise you this, developing your leadership skills will allow you to take advantage of the timing. But you can, if you got involved, you could be a great leader, an awesome leader. But if you got in at the wrong time, you missed it. You missed it. All right. Leadership. Number 3, an aggressive compensation plan. People are motivated by what they see. They're motivated by what they see. And when you saw the compensation plan, immediately I saw it in your eyes. You were like, wait a minute. I can win. Whether you saw it at the $600 level or you saw it at the $100,000 a month level, you saw an opportunity with 12 customers. Wait a minute, 12 customers? That's it? And you're going to put 4 people below me too? So that's really only 8 between me and everybody else, and I'm earning $600. So for the year, I generate $20,800 in volume, and I earn $7,200 part-time while I'm learning a skill. I take 10 to 15% of what I earn and I invest it, and that starts to grow. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. All right. And then number 4, you have to have a product or service that works. That what? Works. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if this was the product that we were selling, if this is the product, doesn't matter what it is. This is what I'm talking to you about tonight, right? This product right here. Right. In order for you to make money with this product, what would you have to do? What would you have to do with it? You would have to sell it. Right. Right? If you built a team, what would they have to do with it? Sell it. Sell it. Yeah. So the only way you can make money is through what? Selling the product. In a service-based company, right? Most service-based companies deal with electricity or maybe deal with cell phones. Can you make money on the service? No. They don't tell you you can make money on the service. They say you can save money. Right? If you switch over to this electricity company, you'll save money. You come over to the cell phone provider, you'll save money. These services actually put money in your pocket.
Yes, that's good. Yeah.
For the first time, I've seen it in the industry where the services pay you. And it requires no recruiting or selling. Ladies and gentlemen, can you copy and paste?
Yes.
On your phone, your smartphone. And you don't even have to be smart to work your smartphone these days, right?
Yes, sir.
You get a signal with a trade that professional traders have now sent to you. You copy and paste it onto your trading platform and you make money. While you're learning how to read the harmonic scanner. While you're learning through the IML Academy. Okay. All I saw with this, ladies and gentlemen, was an opportunity for people to win, not just on the networking side, but also another chance for them to win on trading if they were willing to learn. My hope is that you saw enough, okay, to make a decision. regardless of what your decision is. That you saw enough, you felt enough to make a decision, to do something. All right? We said it earlier, passing over opportunities repeatedly. And people say, well, David, I've tried that before. I've tried many companies before. Let me ask you a question. Your first job, do you still work at your first job? No. So why didn't you give up on that job thing? Why did you go out and get another one, and another one, and another one? Because there was a why. There were some reasons why. My question for you is, all those dreams and those goals that we talked about, what you're currently doing right now, will it allow you to live those goals and those dreams? If the answer is no, I would actually suggest that you try something a little bit different. Okay, 12 years ago, 13 years ago, I made that decision to own my own life. And that decision has completely changed the course of my life. And I want you to do the same exact thing. You're going to have the support that's necessary. That's one thing that I know for a fact. Whoever sent you this video, you being here tonight, you will actually have the support that's necessary for you to be successful in this business. You will not outwork us to help you accomplish your financial independence. So get back with the person who invited you and get yourself started right away. Okay? I tell people all the time, you don't fail in life because of a lie that was told to you. You typically fail in life because someone told you the truth and you just chose not to believe it. When I can look you in the eye and tell you, yes, you can win, that's when I know it's a real business. The moment I can't look you in your eye and tell you that you truly, truly have a chance to win and win big, I can't do it.
That's good.
That's what I saw here. I could look anybody in the eye and say, hey, can you learn? Yes. Can we help you get 12 customers? We can help you get 12 customers. $600 a month. All right? So I look forward to working with you. I appreciate you so much for being here tonight. Good night, and God bless.
Thank you.
All right. Once again, David Imanichie here. Just wanted to say thank you for taking the time out to watch the video. And you're probably thinking, you know, what now? I'm ready to get started. What do I do next? Well, what I want you to do, obviously, is get back with the person who invited you to actually watch this video and immediately have them walk you through our 5-step getting started right process. They're going to show you how to write down your reasons why. You know, why are you doing this business? And you want to be definite. You want to be clear as to why it is that you're actually deciding to be a part of iMarkets Live. Immediately get plugged into imltrain.com because we want you to become a product of the product right away. We want you to set up yourself for success. We want you to set up your swipe trades. We want you to set up your auto trader, set up your live account, your demo account. Your sponsor is actually going to walk you through everything that you need to know as far as you setting up yourself for trading and for building your business. Also, what we want you to do is, start writing out a list of potential customers. Who else do you know that would like to learn how to multiply their money within a $5.3 trillion a day industry? Also, what I want you to do immediately is set up 4 iTrade parties. Set up a get-together at your home. You can even use the video we just actually shot on your behalf and actually show them how to actually get started with iMarkets Live with a very, very simple video. And then I want you to actually commit. Commit to yourself, commit to your goals, commit to your dreams for 12 months. See guys, nothing happens overnight, but it will happen one night. But there's a process that you have to go through. All of you have desires and goals and dreams that you want to accomplish. But now you've got to add the skill sets. There's some things that you're going to have to learn. There's some growing that you're going to have to do. And it's a process that you're going to go through and grow through. Give yourself time to succeed. All right? So develop the skill sets and then times it by faith. I know sometimes you may look at the results and it's not there, but if you keep the end in mind, I learned that years ago, begin with the end in mind, eventually you will see the success that you've actually desired for your life. So I want to say once again, I appreciate you so much for watching the video and excited for each and every one of you that have decided to actually take this journey with us here with iMarkets Live. We'll see you guys real soon. Take care.